This phone is really making horrible pictures, but I'm going to change it from this to this. Totally brand new camera. So all you have to do, take off the back side of the phone, turning it off. Then after that I will just take off the battery and I will cover all the phone with aluminum foil so I protect all the components from being burned, as I'm going to use a heat gun. So I'm going to cut the area that I'm going to heat with my hot air gun. Then after that I'm going to take off the glass that is covering the camera. I'm going to use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to clean up the area, then dry it up. After that I'm just going to replace the glue on the side of the frame, and I'm going to put the new glass. Once it is in place, I will make sure that it's tight and sealed. I will put back the battery, the back cover side, and let's turn on our phone. Let's see what happens. Now look at this, it's totally brand new. Finally the camera can focus and can see small object, and it's taking amazing pictures. I know that is an old phone, but it's still working, it's still pretty fun. Any child can still use that. Instead of dumping it, I just recovered it, instead of ending up in the landfill with more electronic waste. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and with that said, make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button to another video. Thank you so much and see you soon.